Hi everybody, Joe Brancato, the airgun scientist with the Umarex Gauntlet. Noticed a slight issue, nothing that can't be easily fixed, but I noticed a slight issue the other day when I was handing an Umarex Gauntlet to a customer. We always check all our guns first. We cocked it, we fired it, and it went with air in it. No sound. In fact, it sounded like this. Nothing. So what could that be from? Well, I know what it's from. The bottle wasn't screwed in enough. Good enough. So, take off the sling here. I put an Allen wrench in there, an Allen wrench, unscrewed it. Now that allows you to grab it like this, watch. Now that can snap off. And then what I did was, I turned it, and get close so you can hear the sound it'll make. Watch, when I turn it in, right there, the air now is going from the bottle into the gun. But if you notice, it won't line up with the holes in the hand grips. So you can try moving it back, but then the problem is you're almost a half turn, which takes the pin back out, and we're back in the same position we were just a few seconds ago. So what do? Well, I'm going to show to you what you do. Okay, so what we're going to do is line up the bottle properly so that when we put the handguard back on, that the quick fill is on one side and the gauge is on the other. So what we're going to do, we're going to get an Allen wrench that fits back in here. And I don't know what sizes it is. I'll try to post it on there if I get a chance, but we're going to loosen this up. Yes, you can do this under pressure. That's going to be the question I get. And I found this out because I just tested it. Okay, so we're going to do this. Loosen that up one full turn. Don't go crazy. Okay, then we're going to do this one here. Same thing. We're going to loosen it up. At least I'm going to go 2 turns. That's a half. That's 1. Let's see. Put that this way now. And that's a full turn. Yeah, that's pretty loose now. Okay, now let's see if we can tighten this. There we go. Now, before we tighten it up, I'm going to line it up with the handguard. Make sure that and it's going to be the gauge that's going to be the tightest fit. And we could probably go a little bit back, but that doesn't look too bad, actually. I think I'll leave it right there. Good enough. So, at that point, just get your Allen wrench, tighten these 2 grub screws back up again, and you're lined up. So that's how, if you have the issue when you get your gauntlet and you just hear a putt when you fire it, not a bang or a pop like it should sound. If it sounds like it doesn't have any air in it, which is what I'm trying to say. If you hear that sound, and you've screwed the bottle in, and then you hear the air go into the gun like you did earlier, but it's not lined up, this is how you line it up. Take care. From Joe, the airgun scientist. Remember to do all that stuff like, follow us on Facebook, check off our box on YouTube that says get our latest videos, and follow us on Twitter too. Take care. Bye.